The ingredients for Fatima Api's scrambled eggs is 2 onions, 6 green chilies, a handful of parsley, 10 eggs, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, and 1 tablespoon of garam masala. The ingredients is to give you an idea of the taste and the flavor and the ratios. Of course, if you're going to make it just for 1 person or 2 people, you don't need the 10 eggs, but you have an idea of what we used. So we're making a video of Fatima Api's omelette. This is one of the most tastiest omelettes I've ever had in my life. It's an omelette slash scrambled egg version. And so we've got our onions over here, which Fatima Api's grated. Then we've got our green chilies. And we've got parsley, which we're currently breaking up. Next, we are chopping our parsley. One more tip that Fatima Api gave was to use the scissors to cut your chilies. It speeds up the process. You don't have to touch the chilies. It doesn't get everywhere. It doesn't sting or hurt the eyes. So that was basically what she was saying, and she's showing us how to do it. Add the parsley that you previously cut. Next, we're adding the eggs. Now we're going to add the 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, and then mix it.